Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix any matchmaking issues where it's taking a very long time to find a match and you just have to wait a long time, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how to fix that in this video. So the first thing you guys can do is simply just close the game and then just start it back up, and then you can also restart your console. So just restart your PlayStation, whatever you're on, restart it. And yeah, once you do that, check to see if the error has been fixed. If it still takes a long time, the second method you guys can do is you're going to open up settings, and it's for PlayStation, it's R3 to open it up. And yeah, anyways, once you open up settings, you're going to scroll down until you see matchmaking, and just make sure you have crossplay turned on, because if you don't, like let's just say you have crossplay off and I'm on PlayStation, I'm only going to be able to play with PlayStation players, so it's going to obviously be like a much less amount of people rather than if I was able to play with PC and Xbox. So just make sure you have that turned on, and you also have input-based matchmaking on. And once you do all of these things, you should be good to go. And yeah, so that is basically it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.